Diyos na sa kaluy, Ikaw ang among amahan, magbubuhat manunubos, o Ginoo sa ngatanan.
Hello everyone, it's Holy Week season and we have a lot of things that we need to do, especially this year since we have a lot of agenda, so I decided to document everything. Basically, this video are all about the preparations as well as the feeding of saints and photo shoot. And today we decided to go to San Pedro to have his scheduled Holy Week vestment fitting as well as photo shoot. Now naa nami diri sa ilahang San Pedro and nag-start na sad mi og fitting, and I am here with Franz Balye and Dylan. Hi everyone, today is March 9, 2025 and naami scheduled photoshoot and fitting ni St. Joanna de Cuza. So ang kamarero ani kay si Kuya Christian and naa siya sa gawas karon and unfortunately dili siya kauli. And now naghuwat lang ko ron ni Franz Balye kay mo mi sa tayud since ang iyang image kay naa dito gibutang. Here na si Kuya Carl ang mag-drive na mo together with Kaden and Ate Divina.
A few moments later.
Hi, Kaden!
Angelingua gloriosi,
So muna ni guys ang iyang Good Friday investment. Ano siya?
One eternity later.
So after namo sa Juana, amo sa bisitahon ang amo ang Megatron nga si Luisa nga nagkuan diri. Ano sa bestseller ninyo, ma'am? So after na mo pag-visit ni Luis sa SM, so nilayat na may kang St. Mary of Bethany. Since naka-decide pod ko nga mag-pictorial with her together sa iyang new vestment. So actually naa siya duha ka bago nga vestment this year. Ang pang Good Friday and pang Sugat. Ang kaning blue nga vestment niya is mo ni siya ang sugat this year. Hi everyone. So today we are going to Maria Cleofe's house since iyang bestman kay nahumana, and then we decided to have a photo shoot on her and then together with his new bestman. And actually Maria Cleofe was already incarna by Mr. Alfredo Daligdig, one of famous incarnador here in Cebu. And I am waiting right now with the team Wagak. So here naa nami sa ilang Maria Cleofe. And gisugda na namo og taod ang iyang new vestment together with her accessories.
A few moments later.
So now, manamig pictorial with Maria Cleofe, and we're on our way to the church to vest the San Juan, Saint Joseph, Saint Joseph. So mag-vestment ni Saint Joseph today is si Franz Valier. Tanaw na to siya. Then, muna siya, he's our Saint Joseph of Consolation. This vestment was made by only Franz Valier. Ay,
A few moments later.
Panggutom ang mga yan. Check ka pa, ma'am. So now we're gonna unbox the Borlas of San Pedro.
San Pedro Apostol.
Go ikay Abliday.
Kung silk, di ko ganan kung gather.
It's from where Angels and Saints. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you so much.
Ayaw baga na lang mga silk. Kanang ipis na silk. Ayaw baga. Kaya waya ka lang. Hindi siya kanang gather. Tsaka siya gather na kanang tustig na silk.
Munta ka sakura ni niyo nga kuon. 5 inches ra ba yan na? Nice. So today is March 25, 2025, and we are tasked to best the Dolorosa. So it's now 9 p.m. in the evening, and it's so dark here in the church. So nanami sa church, and here is with me Julia. That's our Santo Enchero de Consolacion. So now we are at the altar because here na si Dolorosa here together with the Alegria. So nagtabad na sila.
A few moments later.
So this is the aftermath of vesting. So hello, naday mi karon sa ilahang Julius. Kay nadiri ang Agony in the Garden. Here, nadiri ang mga bodega, guys. Gitor mi ni Julia. Mo ni ang gamit
Nandun sa
niya.
box.
Oh, di ba napadiri na? Sakto tani ang
Marero
ano,
ni
pero atong lighting
Agony.
lagi diri.
So mo ni ang mga gamit niya.
Pero atong lighting diri.
Mao ni ang amo ang Agony in the Garden here in Consolacion.
Angelingua gloriosi.
Hello everyone, so today is April 11, 2025 and we are here going to Santo Enchera's home with Franz Bollier and Bernes Dolores Sadairon. So muadtosan mi sa simbahan after na mahuman sa pag-ilis ni Santo Enchera.
A few moments later.
Hi everyone, we are here at San Juan's house. It is because we are having a photo shoot and today is April 11, 2025 after sa namo procession sa Dolorosa. And nanguli mi kadyo to get these things. Naadiri ang hair and then the cape. And this vestment was also made by Franz Bollier. So, ayan, si Juan. Gikuha na nila si Juan. Ito.